All right, welcome to Chris Graphics Tutorials. Now, if you're wondering how I got Pixellab here, you can see Pixellab, you can see Snapseed, you can see PixArt here as well. And you can see Photoshop, you can see CapCut, CorelDRAW, and all of that. Some other Figma is also, all other softwares are here, and also mobile applications for my smartphone graphic design tutorials are also here. All right, so you might be wondering how was I able to install all these applications here on my Windows 11 PC. Okay, so that's what this video is all about. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. All right, so now let's go straight to the point. Before we start, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any video I'm going to be uploading here henceforth. All right, now I'm going to come here. All right, and then if you come to your browser, there's a software that will help you to do that, and you can search for BlueStacks download. All right, when you search for BlueStacks download, you can see that I've clicked this before, right? That's why it's showing purple. So you click it. So once you click it, now there are actually different versions, all right, for you to download. You can see all versions. Now for me, I downloaded this Nougat 64-bit. all right, this was the one I downloaded. All right, so depending on your laptop, you can decide to download any of the versions. So after you're done downloading, it's very small, all right, but when you open it, it will begin to download other versions, download the main file inside. So you can see both of them here, BlueStacks 5. all right, so once you download this and you open it, all right, you'll be able to, you can see this is Pixellab. All right, so if you check, this is Pixellab, this is Snapseed. I just designed this with Pixellab and enhanced it with Snapseed. all right, so you can see that I have been able to download Pixellab here. So if you need more tutorials about how you can install font, how you can, because a little bit complex in terms of maybe font installation, a little bit different, not complex, a little bit tricky. All right, so there's I've been able to work around this, and if you need any tutorial around this, you let me know. So how you'll be able to do this now, please note your laptop must have good amount of RAM, must have good capacity processor, to be able to run this software. It's quite very heavy. all right, so if your laptop is not as good as that, it may cause it to begin to maybe heat up or lag. all right, the software itself is good, and we are downloading it from the official site. all right, so just make sure you have a good laptop, at least 16 gig RAM, or let's say 8, but 16 preferable, at least, or 16 or 32. If you have 16, you are good to go. all right, and then preferably if you have SSD. all right, so SSD is going to be better than HDD. all right, so it's going to make the whole stuff run well for you. You can run applications even with your PC, play your favorite games and all of that. Okay, so that's how I got to install this. And if I come home, you can see some other applications here as well. all right, you can see Pixellab, you can see a couple of them here. My file manager is here, Play Store is here, and this is my laptop. all right, so thanks for watching. I will leave the download link in the description of this video, so download it. Go there, download the one that suits your laptop, and just make sure your laptop is good enough. all right, see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.